Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove your factory outer fairing on your 14 to current touring bikes. The first step, you'll want to remove the windshield. It's going to be done by these 3 screws here. So we're going to take these 3 out. This particular windshield trim is held on with a T27 Torx bit. Depending on if you got an aftermarket trim piece, you might have an Allen head in there or something different. 1, 2. Grab a hold of your trim piece so it doesn't fall when you take the 3rd screw out. So now we can go ahead and pull out a little bit on the outer fairing. We can slide the windshield out. Once you have your windshield removed, you want to go ahead and just hand tighten one of the windshield screws back in, because that's going to hold the outer in place while you're removing the screws on the inside. So that finger tight's fine. On the inside of the fairing here, we're going to go ahead with our T27 and remove this top screw and this bottom screw down here. And then you'll want to notice that they are different lengths. So the shorter screw is going to go in the bottom hole. The longer screw is going to go in the top hole. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So now we're ready to remove the fairing. So come back up here, take out your windshield bolt, and then again, just be careful because once you pull this out, nothing else is holding it in. So then we'll just kind of grab it down here on the sides, pull it forward, and then we'll need to remove our OEM connection, and then also here, if you have any other accessory lights connected, you want to go ahead and disconnect them now as well. And just like that, your front fairing on your 14 to current Street Glide is removed. Thanks for watching, guys.